Scalp System is designed for thin, stressed, and aging hair. It contains powerful ingredients to deliver instant benefits with lasting results. Here's just 6 of the many reasons why you'll love it. First, it helps restore healthy, strong, soft hair. Next, it deeply hydrates damaged and overprocessed hair. It makes the hair look and feel fuller. 4, it's color safe and it protects the hair from heat. It promotes lustrous, shiny hair. And 6, it builds scalp health and hair density. Now let's talk about the key ingredients that power these impressive results. First, there's a proprietary ageLOC blend. ageLOC is patented technology that targets the sources of aging, our genes, and helps them act more like they did when they were younger. The ageLOC blend in these products targets the sources of aging in the scalp. Next, we use a red clover and peptide blend, which helps the hair look stronger and thicker and fuller while preventing breakage. Licorice root extract supports healthy hair follicles. Vitamin E and other antioxidants are protecting the scalp and the hair from free radical damage. Panthenol and other hair conditioning ingredients continue to provide soft, silky, lustrous hair. And the last ingredient we'll focus on is BCA, which protects the hair from heat and makes it appear smoother, shinier, softer, and much more manageable. One thing that sets Nu Skin apart is their commitment to science and validation. A third-party testing house did an 8-week study on these products. That study included men and women with self-described thin and/or damaged hair. Here's some of the impressive results from that study. 67% of the participants agreed their hair felt thicker. 67% agreed that hair had added bounce and felt more weightless. 70% agreed hair felt deeply hydrated and nourished. 76% agreed hair looked thicker. Another 76% agreed their hair felt more manageable. And 85% agreed hair looked healthier. The ageLOC Scalp and Hair System delivers healthier, visibly thicker, fuller hair straight down to the root. Use the best science of today to keep your scalp and hair looking and feeling great tomorrow.